Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today, I've got something really exciting to share with you. If you're in the market for a high-quality, affordable smartwatch that's packed with features, then look no further than the D9-Watch4 Suit smartwatch. This smartwatch is not just your average wearable tech. It comes with 7 interchangeable straps, so you can switch up your style to match any outfit or occasion. Plus, the magnetic watch design adds a touch of sophistication to your look. But it's not just about style. The D9-Watch4 Suit is also a powerhouse when it comes to functionality. It's equipped with Bluetooth connection, so you can easily stay connected to your phone, make and receive calls, and even monitor your heart rate and sleep patterns. The 2.09-inch round TFT display offers crystal clear visuals, and the 385*295 resolution ensures that every detail is sharp and vibrant. With a memory of 128 MB, you can store all your essential data and access it on the go. Whether you're an Android or iOS user, this smartwatch is compatible with Android 5.0 Plus and iOS 10.0 Plus. The master chip HS6621PG and heart rate chip 1662 guarantee smooth performance and accurate monitoring. So why settle for less when you can have it all with the D9-Watch4 Suit smartwatch? Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Click the link in the description to get your hands on this must-have accessory. Trust me, you won't regret it, and if you're enjoying this content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.